Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to locate and utilize the color shadow effect on CapCut. So initially what you're going to want to do is go up to Media, click and drag your clip to the timeline. Once you have it there, we're going to go up to Effects, Video Effects, Nightclub, and then scroll down to find the color shadow effect. We're going to click and drag it down to the timeline, and now we're just going to scroll through it to check it out. Okay, now we're going to bring it to the beginning of the clip and elongate this effect to fit the entirety of the clip. With it being highlighted, we can go up to the Special Effects tab and mess with the blur, the color, so we can change it. I like the pinkity winkety, the strength of the effect, and the range. And we can also add keyframes. We have a video on that as well. So let's take a look. Thank you guys for watching. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching again and have a great day.